On this quick video, I'm gonna share a website with you that's gonna help you earn up to $30 per hour online. All right, so if you want to know what it is, stick around, because at the end of the video you'll know exactly where to go in order to achieve that. All right, now before we get started, real quickly, if it's your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, welcome. My name is Billy Anellis. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur, and my channel is all about making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, and the marketing tools that you can use to effectively run a business online. So if you want to get some more information about that, I invite you to subscribe right now on my channel by hitting the big red button right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos, and I do them on a weekly and oftenly on a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on them. All right, so if you're back at another one of my videos, well, welcome back. All right, and right before I show you what the website is, it's all good to create active income and trading your time for money, but at some point you're going to want to create passive income, which is what I'm concentrating on even more today in one of the best programs that I want to recommend to you in order for you to learn how to build yourself a passive income with affiliate marketing. Is through the link that I left right on this video right now. Check out the information, because it shares how you can become a full-time super affiliate in 100 days, and that's going to help you possibly retire whatever it is that you're doing right now with a decent passive income. So if you want to check that out real quickly, click the link around this video right now, and you're going to get the details to get access to that free super affiliate training. All right, now the website that I'm going to share with you for you to earn up to $30 an hour online is this website over here called UserTesting. All right, so you get paid to test some things on this website, and it's pretty cool. And here's how it works. Okay, so you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. Okay, so testing pays you to visit websites or apps, and you complete a set of tasks on there. You speak your thoughts out loud while the screen is being recorded, and once you are completed, you just submit it to them. They're gonna review it, and if everything is completed accordingly in the way that they told you to complete those tasks, well, you're gonna pay $10. And imagine just doing that 3 times in the hour, because you have 60 minutes in an hour, right? So for about an hour worth of time, you get paid $10 per 20 minutes, which would equal to up to $30 an hour. Now, quick disclaimer, you're not gonna get rich off of this. It's gonna help you make extra income. It depends how many of those, it depends of how many of those tests they have on the website for you to complete. But if they have some of them on there and you're good at it, you just go on there, you do some testings, you're gonna get paid $10 via PayPal per 20-minute video that you submit. When you complete those tasks, you speak out loud. So you are going to need a computer. You are going to be able to download their app onto your computer so that you can record your screen right there. You are going to need a decent microphone so that you can talk through and share your audio, your voice, while you're talking and sharing your thoughts on a website or on an app that you're going to be testing and stuff like that for them. And this is how you would get paid. All right, so if you haven't heard of that website yet, usertesting.com, you can go right there. You click on get paid to test. You're gonna land on this page right here. You can get signed up right now. You're gonna go through a process first, and then once you get approved for all of that, well, you're gonna get started. All right, so try it out. It may help you make some extra income, and this is exactly what I want to share with you on this quick video. All right, so if you got some value on it right now, just hit the thumbs up button running this video right now to show me that you like this video. And if you have any questions, concerns, or feedback, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it's all about making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, and the marketing tools that you can use to effectively run a business online. So if you want to get some more details and info on all of that, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos that I don't want you to miss out on. And if you also want to build yourself some passive income as you're going along, even though you're gonna get some active income, click the link right underneath this video right now, which you're gonna get access to a free super affiliate training that will show you how you can possibly retire in the next 100 days with enough passive income to pay for your desired lifestyle. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna sign out now. This was Billy Anellis here, and I'll see you on the next video.